Ami, en direct. Pendant ma fait sport comme ça, heureusement pour moi, côté moi, il pas tombé. Mais gros tremblement de terre qui pourrait passer au Kaila. Pour que tu te calmes, pour ça, moi, c'est équivalent de 12 janvier. Merci bon Dieu que ça va tomber. Moi, ça me fait, me courir, mal comme le vent qui est écrasé, parce que moi, je ne vais pas écraser, il va toujours. Mais, donc moi-même, moi bien.
All the areas closest to the epicenter. So not necessarily Port-au-Prince, but a little bit farther to the west. Now, some of you may be thinking, what is liquefaction exactly? When you have the earthquake take place, the shaking destabilizes that soil that's directly underneath it, and it mixes with the groundwater, essentially making the ground liquefied. And you'll have that. One thing to add on top of that is rain. We do want to mention that Tropical Storm Grace, it does have Haiti in the cone of uncertainty over the next several days. Not only is that likely going to make any liquefaction, again, it's kind of make that area just mush and mud, but it's also going to hinder a lot of the recovery efforts too in this area as they're trying to clean up if they have to contend with damaging winds as well as very heavy rainfall and things of that nature, guys.
Hey!